Hello guys, hope you're fine and doing well. As in previous lesson I told you about distinct keyword and how to retrieve distinct value. In this lesson I want to tell you guys about the distinct keyword. We will have practical example on distinct keyword. So as all we know that distinct keyword is using for eliminating duplicates. Some of times we have problems that like some students in a class and they are having multiple courses or multiple classes with a school in a university, so we cannot count them twice, so we use the keyword distinct. For example, I'm telling you guys that in English class we have David and also in physics class we have David, but someone is coming to us that how many students are there in the school or in the university, in this university. I cannot say to him that we have I cannot count the David 2 times and I don't know whether this is the same David or not. So here we use the David as 2 students because we don't know exactly is this student in 2 classes. Therefore we are using distinct keyword to avoid these mistakes, because if someone tell me that how many students I'm checking this class physics, there may be 20 students, which one of them is David, and also in physics class 25. So actually there's maybe I should say that 20 plus 25 it is 45, but actually it is 44 because one student is in the both classes. So it is a very big problem. So how to avoid this problem, we use the distinct keyword. We will see practically how it works. Now I will use database show databases. We will show the databases. Now I'm using Dream Home database, which I have created before. Use Dream Home. Now I'm showing the tables. Now I will select retrieve the data from the branch, select a string which is for all the data, a string string for all the data which is in branch table. We have this all data, but here we are having a problem. In cities we have London twice, and it is a duplicate. How to eliminate? If someone tell us in how many cities do you have branches, I cannot tell him that I have branches in 5 cities because we have London twice here, but we have 2 branches in London. The first B002 belongs to London and also B005 is in London, but the cities are not different. London is the same thing. So here is a very big problem. If I say him that we have in 5 cities and I don't know that 2 branches in 1 cities, I just look to the branches but not the cities. So I'm telling him maybe we have 5, but exactly I'm wrong. So we here can use the distinct keyword. Let's see it. Select city, select distinct city from table branch. Look, here we have the exactly thing which we expected, because we have only branches in 4 places. The London is twice, here the London is once, because we avoid that problem that we have in exactly every life. Now if someone tell us that how many cities, we can exactly say that we have 4 cities and we have 2 branches in the London. We can see select city from branch. Here we have again 5 because we haven't used the keyword distinct. And also we can say that select count like city from branch. Look, here is again that problem. We are not having 5 cities. We are having just 1 city, that is London, with the same name twice. So if we count, we may have 5 cities, but the real problem is that we have poor cities. So here we can again use just distinct keyword, distinct keyword. Now if we apply this query, the exactly cities that the exactly count will appear. Now look, here is poor. So this is the importance of distinct keyword. We can use it for multiple purposes. I have just shown these things that we can use a distinct keyword like this. You guys can use this. You can practice with more tables, with more databases. In a lot of places we can use distinct keyword for multiple purposes. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks a lot, and don't forget our next lessons. Goodbye.